Hi, I'm Jade Bolden. In this video, we will talk about the last 10 days of the doTERRA 30 Days Cleanse and Restore Challenge. In previous videos, we compared the body to a house. We're spring cleaning our house. We talked about the first phase and the second phase, and today we're going to talk about phase 3, last 10 days. We're polishing and organizing, and we're putting everything back together nicely. What are we doing during the last 10 days? To polish and organize, we're still doing the Zendocrine Complex, Lemon Oil, Z Omega, Alpha, CRS Plus, Microplex VMZ, and Terrazyme, but instead of the GX Assist, we're replacing it with DDR Prime and PB Restore. So here's what our chart looks like. In the morning and at nighttime, we're still doing the Lifelong Vitality supplements, 2 of each. We're taking 2 Terrazyme with every meal. So you could be taking up to 8 a day if you're eating 4 meals. We're still doing the Zendocrine Complex. You can take 1 to 2 twice a day. We're not doing the GX Assist anymore. We're doing 1 to 3 PB Restore. It's best to do it at nighttime so that you give your body a lot of time to re-establish the healthy gut flora. We're taking 1 to 2 DDR Prime soft gels twice a day. Still continue to do the lemon drops in your water. At this point, your body is still working very hard, so keep relaxing and sleeping a lot. Bye-bye invaders. Hopefully by now, the Candida fungus is starved and killed off. Your gum looks healthier, your tongue is cleaner, your skin is clearer, and you don't experience the itchiness anymore. We're trying to get rid of all the bad bacteria, viruses, and parasites too. Hopefully by now, you're more energized, you've got less cravings or no cravings at all. That will be great. And you have no more brain fog. So these are the signs that things are working. Think of this period as a time that we're renewing and protecting the body. It's like putting a shield of polish over your lovely wooden floor. It's shielding and protecting that wooden floor. Just like cleaning the house, you're taking things out of the cupboards and the shelves, and now you're going to put them back where it should be. We're taking the PB Restore to repopulate the gut flora with specific beneficial bacteria. An adult's digestive system is about 30 feet, about 9 meters long. So it takes a bit of time for your body to re-establish that healthy shield of good bacteria again. We're restoring the gut biome. The microbiome and the mind are very connected. The gut influences your mental health. I'm sure most people already know this, but here's a list of benefits of healthy microbiome. It supports digestive health. It helps people not be so sensitive to different foods anymore, and they can eat a wider range of foods. It helps with cognitive and mental health. It helps support learning and memory. We might experience faster processing ability and more mental clarity. As a school teacher, I really wish that all parents knew to take care of their kids' gut health better so that their children can be sharper. When we have gut issues, our brains can be slower. We take longer to learn things. Emotional well-being, meaning it reduces depression and anxiety. We know that 90% of serotonin is found in the gut. So when the gut is healthy again, we can produce the serotonin again. Serotonin plays a key role in the body functions such as mood, sleep, digestion, wound healing, bone health, blood clotting, and sexual desires. Serotonin basically is your happy hormone. Studies show that the restoration of microbiome may help with healthy blood sugar, healthy weight, it boosts immunity, and helps create healthier skin. Breast milk provides all the healthy bacteria to help a child build a healthy shield in their gut, blessing them with a stronger immunity. When my kids were little, an expert told me that babies don't have an immunity until they're 2 years old. And that's why the mother's milk is so important for babies. It's like lending your child this immunity. And this is why I breastfed all my children until they're at least 1 year old. Research shows that breastfed babies are generally healthier, happier, and brighter than bottle-fed ones. Of course, I'm sure there are exceptions. Did you know that antipsychotics and antibiotics can break down that healthy protective shield in your gut? So imagine every time you take antibiotics, you're breaking down more of that shield. The healthy microbiome may help offset serious medication side effects. So logically, after you finish your rounds of antibiotics, you should rebuild that healthy shield again. I think of it as rebuilding a wall to protect me. Everything is connected to everything. It goes to show that when we restore things to where it should be, our body knows how to function optimally. Please do your own research. I'm just sharing with you a few things that I've learned. One of my favorite places to read research is pubmed.gov. Here is just one article about the benefits of microorganism helping the brain and behavior. doTERRA is brilliant. Several years ago, they came up with this double encapsulation technology for a pill, and they have the prebiotic and the probiotic in one pill, so that this pill can bypass the acidic environment of the stomach and get delivered down into the intestines where it can start to populate. That's where we want it to end up. Most probiotics, such as yogurt, is killed off in the stomach acid before it can get to the intestines, where we want it to end up. This double encapsulation technology allows the probiotics to be delivered to where it needs to go safely. That clear liquid that you can see on the outside is a prebiotic to feed the probiotic when it's released. The recent research about the benefits of probiotics has made probiotics very popular, and many companies are getting on board producing probiotics. I found this comparison chart very helpful. It helps me see the value of the PB Restore product. doTERRA has been a pioneer in this area for a while. The PB Restore and the PB Assist are superior to their competitors. It's not only better, but it's very reasonably priced. As I said, doTERRA has been aware of the importance of gut health for a while. Their previous product, PB Assist, was amazing. And as we know better, we do better, right? You can see the updates on the screen here. So instead of 6 billion colony-forming units, we have 18 billion colony-forming units now per dose. 24 strains instead of 6, 8 total genus instead of 2, 22 total species instead of 6. We still have some of the good stuff, the prebiotics and the probiotic strains. And we also have postbiotic strains, and the list is even longer. Besides the clinical research ingredients for digestive health, gut immunity, health and metabolism, it helps with oral health and skin health. And there's some research that says it's great for cardiovascular health, urogenital tract health, and brain and DNS function. And it's still at a very reasonable price. They also have the sachet version. For children and those who don't like swallowing pills, here's a powder sachet version alternative. It is delicious. The kids will think it's candy and they want to have more. And here's another comparison to show us what's improved. Instead of 5 billion colony forming units, we have 7 billion now. 13 total strains instead of 6 total strains, 3 total genus instead of 2, 9 total species instead of 5, and all of the previous benefits. I'm so glad they give us these options so everybody can benefit. All right, since we're trying to heal ourselves physically, let's allow ourselves to heal on the emotional level too. We heal faster when we come at our health from several different fronts. PB Restore Energy helps us focus on being collaborative and united. It invites us to allow ourselves to connect to others and to belong to a community. It invites you to adopt the feeling of being protected and that you can rely on others. Some affirmations that you can add as you use this product are: I am protected, secure, and happy. I allow family and friends to love and support me. I enjoy unity and community. You can write that on post-it notes and stick it everywhere so you can see it and remember to say it. All right, let's talk about the DDR Prime. It comes in 2 forms, the soft gel and the oil blend. You can make your own capsules if you don't have the soft gels. Some people use both. They take the soft gels internally and they use the oil topically wherever they need it, where they have a growth, a lump or a bump that shouldn't be there that they want to get rid of. So what I would do is to dilute it a little bit before I apply it to my skin. And you need to do it consistently, at least 2 to 3 times a day for several months. The DDR Prime is a blend of lemongrass, clove, summer savory, niaouli, thyme, frankincense, and wild orange. If you research each of these oils, you know that they're a powerhouse within themselves, but imagine them combined. This blend is great for many things. It's great for dyspepsia, which is the medical term for indigestion. Basically, it's very good for cellular support. Our cells have 3 main jobs. The first job is its specialized function. Whatever cells it is, it's supposed to function as it's designed to function. So basically, it should do its job. So if you have a skin cell, it should look like a skin cell and behave like a skin cell. So it functions as it's designed to function. Its next job is mitosis. Mitosis is the cell replicating or duplicating itself. So it's making copies. Its third job is apoptosis, which means self-destruct when damaged beyond repair. This is a healthy process. Once it's reached the end of its life, it should self-destruct and make room for new cells. Our cells are supposed to constantly renew itself. This is one way our body gets rid of unneeded or abnormal cells. If the cells are old and sick, it triggers normal apoptosis. This process of apoptosis may be blocked in cancer cells. This is why the cancer cells duplicates its mutated self. Wouldn't it be great if there was something that can remind the cells that it's sick and mutated and it should self-destruct? It's damaged beyond repair. It should shrink and stop growing and spreading. Well, good news, we do have something for that. Lucky us, doTERRA has DDR prime that helps us on the cellular level. DDR prime helps prevent DNA damage with frankincense, thyme, and lemongrass. It helps trigger healthier apoptosis with lemongrass, clove, and niaouli. And it helps reduce oxidative stress with orange and summer savory. When I think of oxidative stress, I think of imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants inside the body. This can cause a lot of damage to organs and tissues and result in various diseases. We can help our body maintain healthy balance by living a healthy lifestyle and taking good products that support the body. I truly believe that the body knows how to heal itself given the right tools. So here's the emotional energy of DDR prime. It's the oil of transformation and restoration. It helps us feel renewed, rebirthed, strengthened, changed, positive, cleansed, and simplified. Here's some affirmations for you. I allow myself to be reborn, renewed, and filled with hope and healing. I love and forgive myself fully as I love and forgive others. I focus on love, light, and healing. Remember this list? Let's revisit it again. Ideally, we're looking forward to no more odors, feeling more energized, mobility and relief, feeling more calm and patient and happy, more beautiful skin, mental clarity and excellent memory, restful, restorative sleep, health and vitality, feeling protected, calm, and tolerant, healthy digestion, healthy respiratory functions, healthy teeth and gums, and no more cravings. I just want to end this video with a little bit more information for you. On my website, I have some charts for you. You have the teeth reflexology chart. So say that you have some teeth or gum issues, you can see what organs it correlates to. Say that your front teeth are swollen and red and sore, maybe it has to do with the uterus. So you can put oils on the uterus and also be oil pulling in the mouth to help your body heal on both fronts. On the right hand side, you can see the face mapping. If you have issues with a certain area on your face, you can look up the organs that it correlates to. Maybe those organs need a little bit more help. Like I said, everything is connected to everything. These maps and charts are a great way to gauge your health on the inside. Please follow me for more support. Lastly, on my website, I have some books available. If you go to this link, jadebolden.com/books, you can find the different websites where you can buy these books. My books are on Amazon and lulu.com. The green book is a reference for our health and the different body parts. The pink book is a reference guide for the doTERRA essential oils, singles, blends, and supplements. And the red book, Energy Balancing with Faith, talks about this modality of healing with faith. We balance our energy by promoting faith in God. Well, that's it for today's video. In the next video, we'll go beyond the 30-day cleanse and restore challenge. What more can you do for yourself? How do you know you need to do this cleanse again? And more advanced tips. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.